Welcome to Learning Tree. Subscribe for more videos for kids.
You put this on, it can go up and down like this.
What about this spinning thing can spin around?
Oh, Brian, we're gonna put that on afterwards. This one's meant to go here, and then we can pop this right on here. So this thing can go up and down. That's what we're up to. Now, for our next thing, we need to grab one of these and one of these. Two of these, actually. So we're going to come here. And we're going to put this up like so. We're going to put one here. Put one here. Oops, wrong one. We're going to put this one here. And then we're going to put this one over here. Like next. Sure. So next we're going to take this and this. We're going to put this one right here. Oh no, we're going to put this one first. We want to put this one here, like this. And then we need to grab our crystal and we're going to put it right here.
Here's the birds.
How do we fit this on? We're going to put this crystal here next to this. Okay. Now we're going to take this and we're going to put this on. Like
Here's the birds. Here's the birds.
Wait. And then we're going to put this on like so. And then we're going to take this. Yeah, and then we're going to put it here. And then we're going to take a little flower. Brian already made some flowers. And we're going to put it here. And then just put that on and take this and just clip it on here like so. Next, we're going to take another one of these and put this on right here. Yes, Brian?
Where's the crown go?
I don't know. And now we're going to put this here. Good. Now we're going to take this. Brian? Can you grab me the stickers? Oh, here they are. Brian, come here. Come here, boy. Good job. Now we're going to take this and we're going to take this little sticker and we're going to stick it on at the bottom. This is actually quite glittery. Nope, it's not stuck on properly. We need to stick it on properly so it looks the best it can.
Here's the green crystal.
Brian, we're going to play with those and build everything after we build this, okay? So let's stick, let's stick some card like that, and then we're going to put it over here. Oops, like this. Like that. Isn't that so cool? Now we're going to take these two pieces and we're going to put them at the top of here like this. Okay, now we're going to take the fourth set, which Brian has already poured out for us over here. Brian!
Good job. I won't use them.
Okay, we hope you won't. And we're going to carry this over there. Brian, don't touch it, don't touch it. So here we have, this is the full little bag. And we have our things here. Okay, so there's these and these. And over here we have all of the Lego pieces. Right here. Thanks, Brian. And we're going to put them all here. And one last piece right here. This alpaca was not in that. And now let's see the next step. Proceed. And so we have to turn it around like this. No, let's keep it like this. Then we need to get one of these and we're going to get tiny piece. Oh, here it is. We're going to take this tiny piece and we're just going to place this like this, like that. And we're going to place this back here. I don't know if you can see, but here. But here, right here. And then we're going to take one of where are these little pieces? Now we're going to take this and we're going to put it right here. Like that. Next, we're going to take one of these and one of this, and we're going to put this in here, like that, to make a cute little lantern. Now we're going to place this lantern over here, hanging from this thing we just made. Good, like that. And then we're going to take one of these, this, and yes, Brian. Take a look after, okay? And one of these. Yes, Brian.
Where's the pressing thing?
I don't know.
Here.
We're gonna build it after, and we're gonna place this here, here, and we're gonna put this like this. Click it on. Good job. And now we're going to take this, and we're gonna also.
Here's a back.
Brian, wait, okay? Please wait. Wait, Brian, wait. And we're gonna take this, put it over here, take this and put it like this. And now,
You also have the big one.
and then we're going to take this and this, and we're gonna place this one on top of this, and place this like this. Now we're going to take this, and we're gonna take two of these, and we're gonna place that underneath here. So like place it here and here. And now we're going to take this and place it here. Like this. Whoop. Make sure it's all stuck on and so it doesn't fall off later on. Okay, press really hard. There. And now we're going to
Put the back in.
not get right. We're going to take this and put it like that. And we're going to place it.
Waterfall.
We're going to place it
Little building.
over here, like here. And then we're just going to, we have our next step. Brian, can you put these little green horns into these? And now, in the meantime, while Brian's doing that, we're going to take two of these. We're going to spin this around. We're going to put two little bits right here. Yes, like here. And we're going to...
There. Two horns.
Thanks, Brian. Thank you so much. We're going to place these so that they're touching each other right here. And then next to them, we're going to place two unicorn horns that Brian made. So we're going to place this one right here. And we're going to place this one here.
What about we miss put the bat in?
Oh, we'll put the bat in later. And bones hanging out. Ryan, it's time to put in the bat. So we need this, a bat, and one of these. So we're gonna put it like this. Take this little hanging thing and put it on like that. And then we're gonna put the bat upside down like this. Brian told me to put the bat in. You've been so excited about the bat. Good job.
And the bat can stay right in his cage.
Yes.
The bat can.
Okay. And we're gonna put them here. The bat.
Here's a bird.
Yes, we're gonna get to the bird a bit later, Brian. And now we're going to.
Where's this piece go?
Ooh, we'll find out sure enough. We're gonna take this and then we're gonna take one of these and we're gonna take
This
yes, Brian?
piece. So can I do the bat pieces?
Yes, now we're gonna take one of our flower stickers. Bless you, Brian. Place it here like this. Stick it on. Then we're going to place it right. This is a hard place to find. It's more over this way. Right. We're gonna place this here like this. And then we're gonna place this on top. Now we need another one of these pieces. If I can find it. Oh, these pieces are always hiding away from me. Oh, Brian, careful with scissors. You don't want to cut yourself.
Here's this piece.
Here's this, and then there's this, and we're going to place them over here on this little bit. We're gonna place this one over here.
Where's this bat thing? Where's this bat piece go?
Oh, we'll see very soon. And then we're going to take one of these and one of these. Put this on this, and we're going to put it over here. Here. Wait. Oh, it's tricking me again. Yes, we definitely put it. Oh, wait, no. These little blocks are way too tiny. We need a slightly bigger one. One of these. We're gonna put it out like this. And we're gonna put it right here.
This is for the bird.
And we're gonna take this. Yes, Brian. And we're gonna place this like that.
For the bird.
Next, we're going to take this.
This is the bird cave.
And we're going to, okay, Brian. And then we're going to take this little piece over here. And we're going to put this piece here. And we're going to put, I wonder where we put this piece. Oh, we put this piece over here. And then we're going to take these two pieces and one of these. So we're gonna take this sticker number 10, and we're going to place it on this side, right here. Careful, this is a very tiny place. And then we're going to place these two blocks underneath.
done like this.
Oh, we'll see in a second, Brian. So place this right here.
What? What this space is for?
And now we're going to take two of these.
Here's another piece of the waterfall.
Okay, Brian. A crystal. And two of these. So
And
now,
another crystal.
okay, Brian. We're going to put these together. They're going to be little climbing things and decoration for the Lego friends. Now we're going to place this one right here. And
Back inside this room.
yes, and then we're going to place the next one next to the crystal. We're going to place the crystal one. Here it is. We're going to place the crystal right here. Oh, Brian, we'll find out. This one here, and we're going to place this here. Now we're going to take this, and we're going to put it over here. Next to here. Wait a second. Yes, we're going to put this over here. Look, this spider is falling. Good job. Now we're going to take this and we're going to put it over here. Brian, you were right. We're going to use the oh, fire is very bright. We're going to take this and we're going to put it over here. Oh, do you want to click it on? It's not working, is it? Yes, now it's working. Okay. Now we're going to take two pieces of this and we're going to stack them on top of each other like this. We're going to place them. Oh, we're going to place one of them here. Oops. We're going to place this one over here. Oh, I see what's the problem. Brian. Oh no, this is perfectly fine, don't worry. Place this on here. Take this and place this on behind it. Now we're going to take another one of these climbing things. And then we're going to take one of these. And we're going to then take one of these. So we're going to do this and put this one over here. And we're going to take this and put it behind here like that. Then we're going to take two little cute flowers. Ooh, these are very hot pink. And we're going to yes, right? Lovely, Brian. We're going to take two of these flowers. Put them on. We're going to put these on like this. And we're going to take these. And we're going to also take one of these. And we're going to take this. We're going to put it here. Place a little flower here. And place the next flower down here. Now we're going to move on to making a next part, like a tree house. The part of this. So we're going to move this build over here. And now we're going to take this. We're going to take two of these. We're going to circle this. So there. A little semicircle. And then we're going to place this on the top of this gorgeous waterfall. Like yes. Like this. Let's click it on. Make sure it's all tight so it doesn't fall later on. Oops. That just fell off while I was doing that. Put that back. is we're gonna get one of these tiny pieces with this little hand type thing on top. Get a little telescope. Oh, we're gonna place it like this. We're gonna place it right here. So whenever they come up, they can come up and take a look down. Now we gotta use this. We're gonna take another one of our stickers. We're gonna take this sticker, take it off, and we're going to put it inside on this wall. That's what we do, right? And we're gonna place it like this, and then turn it around. One of these and one of these. We're gonna place this over here, and we're gonna place this one right, oops, under here, like this. And then we're going to take this piece and this piece, and we're going to place this over here, and we're going to place this over here. And then next thing we're going to do, we're going to take one of these and one of these. Now we're going to place this one over here, like this, and we're going to place this one right over here. Oop, it's not letting me stick it on. Now we're going to use our last sticker. Here it is, Brian. We're going to use the last sticker. And we're going to put this right here. Look, Brian, we used our last sticker. And then we're going to place this tape. Oh, wait. Got one more thing to do. You take one of these. One of these.
We have to build a telescope.
And just need two of these. Just put it up like this. And we're gonna place this over here, like that. Now we're going to place this over here, like so.
This can these.
Squish it on. Make it extra tight so it doesn't fall.
We finished it.
No, Ryan, not yet. Make it extra tight. Oh, that's good.
We still have to put this and the button and put the fires in and press it. What is do?
Yeah. So I'm gonna take 3 of these, turn it around. Oh, oopsies. This thing,
Let's put the crystal in.
Ryan, that's the wrong crystal. Ugh, is it on tight? Let's Next, we're gonna place this green piece over here and right here, and we're gonna take this and one of these. Oops. And we're going to place this over here, and we're going to place this here. Ryan, stop cutting it. You're gonna ruin it. Now we're gonna take a lovely, beautiful white flower and two of these shard-looking things. Turn it around. Place this one over here, and we're gonna place one of the shards next to it, right here. Yes, Brian.
You just can't move down.
Oh, we'll see. And this one, put it over here. Now we need a cherry. We're gonna use two of these white pieces, and we need one of these other sets. We're going to place this on top of here, like so. Gonna place this backwards here, and put this one on top of this. And we're going to add this little cherry onto this beautiful white flower. Gorgeous, isn't it, Brian? Yes. Now we're gonna take this and this.
We need to still
And we're gonna place.
5 minutes.
Yes, we will get to that. We're gonna place this one. Oh, we're gonna place this over here. And we're gonna place this one over here. Oops. Doesn't want to go. There we go. And then we're going to take one of these. We're gonna put this one right over here. Besides
Like
the
so.
side. This. Oops. Oh wow, all these just don't want to stay. And I'm gonna put this one over here. Next, we're going to be making the machinery that's going to make this volcano erupt. So, can you take this, and can you put this through that?
Okay.
Squish it in.
I'm squishing it in.
Oh, come on. Do you need some help? That's the start. Good job. I think that's it. Now, oops. I'm going to help you, Brian. Is that okay? Push this in. Oh, this is a bit stubborn.
Where does this black thingy go?
Oh, here it is. Oh, we'll see in a second. Now, we're gonna take one of these, slip it on the back of this,
I'm going to make it.
then we're gonna push this all the way down. Oh, Brian, can you help me put the white thing through this? This white thing through this? Good. And then we're gonna take this black thing, and can you help me push this through?
Yeah. Oh shit.
Oh, whoa. Oops, I'm sorry. I forgot one tiny little bit. We're gonna take this, we're gonna push it through here.
Where does this go?
Ooh, we'll see in a sec.
What?
I think it might be for the zip line. We're gonna push this through here like
I
that.
might think that is for swimming.
Oh, maybe. Ryan, now can you put this on here for me? Squish it on.
There we go.
Let me help you.
Where's this police go?
We're gonna squish this so this white bit isn't able to move. We don't want it moving, as this is gonna be our machinery. And I'm gonna
Press it and the fire's
squish it down. Oop, there we go.
out. Using.
two of these pieces. And we're going to just place them over here. So we're going to put this one like this. And we're going to place this one like this. Now we're going to take two of these and one of this. And we're going to put these two pieces over here like that to secure it. And we're going to place this bit over here. And the next thing we're going to do is Brian. Brian already made a bit of this, but now we just gotta add these things onto it.
Daddy, got that coming!
Oh, Brian, we're gonna play at it with it when we've done everything, okay? And we're gonna take
Basket's coming down.
okay. And we're gonna put all these here like so, like this. This is the little nest. And we're gonna oh Brian. We're gonna perch it
The helicopter.
right here.
Here's our alpacas.
There's the alpacas, Brian.
Alpacas. Well, that piece is going.
Yeah. So funny. Oh right, and then we're gonna place this here. Let's see. Like that. I think. Oh, it's not fitting. How is this meant to work? Ah, it's be like that. Oh, like that. Place this on. There we go. Finally, we got the nest on. Now, Brian, do you want to put the little birdie into its nest?
Yeah. I'm going to put the little bird in the nest. There you go, little buddy.
Yeah. Now we're gonna take. Where is that piece, Brian? Where did you put it? We're gonna take this, and we're gonna put it on top of this, like that, and we're gonna place in three little pieces like this. And let's see. Ooh, look at that, Brian.
Let me try.
Okay.
Let me try.
Ready? Let's put this in. Okay, go. Whoa! Oh, it's not working. There, like that. Go. Whoa! It's lava. It's out. And let's do more. The lava doesn't want to come out. Okay, let's try again. Ready? Set. Ready, set. And go! Whoa! Did you see that? Let's try that again. And ready? Get set.
Let me try.
Oh, Brian. Okay, sure, you can try. Go. Ready? Set. And oops.
The lava.
And let's try that now. We're gonna take one of these, our little pickaxe, put it in here. Oh, it's not fitting. We're gonna take one of these and we're gonna place it here.
Let's go.
And we're gonna take one of these cute little gems. We're gonna put
Oh
it
no, the fire. The lava. The lava is destroying.
Oh no. Put this here. And then we're gonna.
And now the lava is destroying.
Yes, Brian. Now we're gonna turn this around. Brian, we'll play with that. I know you're really excited. And we're gonna we're gonna take this. We're gonna lift this up like that. We're gonna put this in, and it's gonna close. See, it's kind of gonna be like a little bit of a secret entrance. And we're gonna place this little pickaxe right here. Now we're gonna make the zip line. We're gonna take this, put this through it. It's not fitting me. Like that. And then we're going to put some of this. We're gonna turn this around. Oops, this grass to keep from falling. And then we're going to put this over here, like this. Right here.
Let me give the Alpaca can stop
Fit it in. Oh, there it is. We squished it in, and we're going to take our little hut. If you didn't know, we built this from earlier. Be sure to check out those other videos. And we're gonna put this through this piece, like this, and we're gonna squish it. That's what this thing was for. Now we're gonna take this, take one of these cool robot-y looking arms, and we're gonna take this. Oh no! And we're gonna put this like here. Oops. Of course we need to put this on here first before we can close it up. And then we can close it up. Close it up to make sure it doesn't go away. Now we're gonna put this like this. And now anyone will go sliding down like this. Let's try now that we've completed this set.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos on learning for kids.